Stop giving away your valuable IT assets for free. We've revolutionised IT disposal and remarketing with our new smart IT asset disposal model, where your redundant IT assets could actually put revenue back into your budget whilst ensuring your data is securely destroyed. This quick guide shows you exactly how our rebate system works and when you may qualify for free collections plus a rebate. Perfect for busy decision makers who want the essential facts fast. On screen is a list of the items which we will collect from your facility, broken down into 3 categories. Our collection criteria is now live for all collections. To qualify for our Tier 3 standard free of charge collection, you will need at least 30 qualifying assets or a surcharge will be applicable. As with all surcharges, these fees can be offset through the recycling of remarketing or offset classified assets. Collected assets are then processed for secure data destruction. Facility standard being our most cost-effective solution where surcharges only exist for loose data media which cannot be confirmed as securely sanitized and is for physical destruction. Each asset is then classified into a remarketing asset, returning up to 40% of the fair market value and accrue offset credits, an offset asset where you can accrue offset credits to offset disposal costs, and disposal assets where 90% are processed completely free of charge with no surcharges. Asset classification guidelines along with offset credit values are supplied prior to collection, allowing you to estimate any potential rebates. Offset credits can be returned as revenue or held with us for further collections where additional surcharges are expected. Collected assets are then reconciled into a remarketing and asset disposal report. This includes your certificate of secure data destruction and keeps your organisation compliant with GDPR and DPA regulations. Where offset credits generated by the IT assets exceed surcharges, these will be credited in the form of a rebate, providing a free of charge collection plus a rebate or a surcharge where costs cannot be offset. Our solution is what sets us apart from other IT asset disposal companies, automatically returning revenue for any asset which holds resale value while covering operating and disposal costs for assets which do not. We understand that some organisations are seeking cost-free solutions. That's why we've structured our surcharge schedule to cover essential operating costs, particularly in cases where expenses cannot be recovered through asset sales or when a disposal fee is necessary for responsible recycling. At the same time, with our asset criteria, we've made it as straightforward as possible to obtain offset credits. To assist you further, we've outlined the key areas where surcharges may apply and how they can be avoided. While this information is already provided at the point of contact, the summary below serves as a general guide. In many cases, small adjustments on your end made in advance of collection can help reduce or eliminate surcharges. Please remember all surcharges may be offset through the classification of other assets during the collection process. We hope this overview has given you a clear understanding to our solutions and what sets us apart from other IT asset disposal providers. With predefined rebates and a fully automated process, you can join hundreds of organisations already streamlining their IT asset disposal with us. For a complete in-depth walkthrough video from initial inquiry to final payment, simply click the link below. Otherwise, we'll look forward to hearing from you soon.